Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create a course in CoachZippy. Before you create a course, you need to create a school. So if you haven't yet, please watch this tutorial on how to create a school. So I'm logged into my CoachZippy account. Click on My Schools, and it'll bring you to this page. So this is a school that we created in the previous tutorial. Click on the school, and it'll open the school section. Go to the courses section, and it'll bring you to this page. Here you can import a course. I'll cover this in a separate tutorial. So I'll choose Create New Course. To create a course from scratch, it'll bring you to this page where you need to enter course details. Let's start by entering the course title. I'll go with CoachZippy 101. I'll enter a subtitle. Next, I'll choose a category. Using this drop-down menu, I'll choose IT and software. For the author, I'll leave it as default, but you can also add a new author here. Here we can choose a course type. I'll stick with the default blank template and click Create Course. You'll get a confirmation that the course was created, and it will redirect you to this page where you need to add the curriculum. Now before we add the curriculum, let's go to the information section. And as you can see, this is the same information we entered when we created the course. So you can edit any of this information if you wish. For now, I'm just going to add few tags and click Save. Down below, you'll find this section with a share code. Essentially, you can use this code if you want other CoachZippy users to clone your course. Under Page Settings, you'll find a course page URL. But as you can see, it has some random alphanumeric characters. So you can change the page slug here. I'll go with CoachZippy 101 and click Save. Looks like the CoachZippy 101 URL was not available, so it assigned me a default. Down below, you can enable comment moderation. So I'll enable it and click Save. We will skip the affiliate commission section. I'll cover this in a separate video. Down below, you can add a meta title, description, and image. So I went ahead and added that. Make sure to save it. Down below, you can add a course image by clicking this Add Banner button, then choose your image and click Open. You can then crop the image by using these handles and this cropping tool, like so. And finally, click Crop. So here is the uploaded image. You can use this slider if you want to change the opacity. Down below, you can also add a promotional video by clicking this Add Video button. Select your video and click Open. And here is the uploaded video. Make sure to save the changes. And finally, down below, you can duplicate the course. And in this section, you can delete the course. Now let's go back to the curriculum section. So here's where we add content. As you can see, there is one section and one lecture already added by default. So sections are like modules, and you add lectures under sections which make up your content. Let's start from scratch. So I'll check these boxes and delete the default section and lecture and confirm the delete. So now we can start from scratch. Let's start by adding a new section. I'll enter my section title and the duration of the video and click Create New Section. So this is our first module. Next, we need to add a lecture. I'll give it a name and click Create New Lecture. You'll notice several tabs. Let me scroll down. So you can add different types of content in these tabs. Let's start by adding text. I'll copy and paste my content into this box. I can use these formatting tools in this toolbar if I want to, and then click Save and Continue. So now if I scroll down, you can see that the text has been added. Next, let's add a YouTube video by using the embed code. So I'll go to the HTML tab and copy and paste the YouTube video embed code in this box and save it. Now the embed code that I use is not the original one. I modified it because it's not mobile responsive. I will share this modified embed code in a separate video. If I scroll down, you'll see the YouTube embed code has been added here. So this is what we've added so far: one section and one lecture. And if I drop this down, I can add more content to this lecture or add another lecture within this section. Instead, I'm going to create another section and call it CoachZippy Overview. I'll add a duration and click Create New Section. So this section has been added. As you can see here, we now have two sections and one lecture. I'll add a new lecture to this new section, give it a name, and click Create New Lecture. So now we have two sections and two lectures. I went ahead and added several more sections and lectures, as you can see here. I will be creating a separate tutorial to show you how to add other types of content. So if I go back to the information section, I can click this link to preview the course content. And as you can see, this is the YouTube video we embedded, as well as all the sections we added. Going back to the course page, so far we've covered the information and curriculum. So let's go to the pricing section. As you can see, there are quite a few pricing options. I will be creating a separate tutorial to cover all these pricing options. For now, I'm going to create this as a free course. I'll add a name for the plan. Here you can add features about your course, and then click this plus button to add more. So I added a couple more, and I'll click Add Pricing. As you can see, the pricing has been added here. Next, let's go to the integration section. Here you can connect your autoresponder. Now bear in mind that you need to first complete the app integrations, which I covered in a separate tutorial. I'll use this drop-down menu and choose MailChimp, and then choose a list from the drop-down menu, and finally click Connect. And it's been connected. Down below, you can add tracking pixels for Facebook and Google Analytics. We will skip this for now. And we'll go to the drip section. Here you can drip feed content, but I'm going to leave this as default because I want students to complete this course at their own pace. In the comments section is where you moderate the comments that are posted, as well as check the latest activity in this section. In the coupon section, you can add coupons for a paid course. I will be creating a separate tutorial for this. In the student section, you can bulk import or add students manually. Again, I will be creating a separate tutorial to show you how to do this. There are still more sections down here if you use the scroll bar. This is the certificate section, where you can issue certificates to your students. I'll be creating a separate tutorial for this. Under Program Overview, you can add various bullet points that display on the sales page. I'll override these default ones and add 9 bullet points like so. And I'll scroll down and save it. Under Tools Covered, you can add tools that you use in the course. I'm going to skip this. Under Partners, similar to Tools, you can add client company names with images, and I'll skip this as well. Under FAQs, you can add frequently asked questions if you want to. Again, I'll skip this. Under Testimonials, you can add customer testimonials for your sales page. Under Code Snippets, you can add custom CSS. Similarly, you can add custom HTML here. And finally, in the affiliate section, you can manage your affiliates. I'll be creating a separate tutorial to cover this. So let's go back to Manage Course section. We can now publish our course and click Yes to confirm it. Let's go back to the course list. And as you can see, the course is now published, but we still need to publish the school. So let's go back to the school dashboard, and I'll click this button to publish the school. And finally, click Yes to confirm it. And as you can see, the school is now published. We can click the school preview button. So this is a school page we just published. We can obviously customize this website to look much better, which I will cover in another tutorial. And this is the course page we published in the school. It'll take me to the course sales page. And here is how the page looks like. This, of course, is the basic version of the course page. You can spice it up using the page builder. Well, I hope you found this CoachZippy tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.